What if I told you that your thoughts can shape your reality? That the way you think, positive or negative, can determine the outcomes you experience in life? Sounds unbelievable, right? But science, psychology, and the stories of the most successful people in history all point to one undeniable truth. Your mindset matters more than you think. Think about it. Every great achiever, from world-class athletes to billionaires, has one thing in common. They believe in themselves, even when no one else does. They have an unshakable faith in their ability to succeed, and that faith fuels their actions, decisions, and ultimately their success. But here's the real question. Is positive thinking just about being happy and ignoring problems? Or is there something deeper at play? In this video, we'll explore the power of positive thinking and how it can change your life. We'll share scientific evidence and real-life success stories, and most importantly, give you practical tools to shift your mindset and attract success like never before. But before we begin, I want you to ask yourself, what kind of life do you want to create? By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and strategies to reshape your thoughts, elevate your mindset, and take control of your future. So, if you're ready to unlock your full potential, keep watching, because your transformation starts now. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success effortlessly, while others struggle despite their efforts? It all comes down to the way they think. Positive thinking isn't just a feel-good concept. It's backed by science, and understanding how it works can help you unlock your true potential. Let's start with your brain. Deep within your mind, there's a powerful system called the reticular activating system, RAS. It's like a mental filter that decides what information is important to you. Every day you're bombarded with thousands of thoughts, but your RAS ensures you only focus on what aligns with your mindset. If you constantly tell yourself, "I'm not good enough," or "success is impossible for me," your brain will look for evidence to support that belief. But when you shift your mindset to, "I am capable, and success is within my reach," your brain starts filtering reality in a way that helps you notice opportunities and solutions instead of obstacles. Scientific studies prove this. Researchers at the University of Pennsylvania found that optimistic individuals are more likely to achieve success in business, sports, and personal goals. Why? Because positivity boosts motivation, enhances problem-solving skills, and increases resilience. Even at a biological level, positive thoughts reduce stress hormones like cortisol and increase dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that improve focus, creativity, and happiness. This means that when you think positively, you're not just changing your mindset, you're reprogramming your brain for success. But here's the best part. Your brain is capable of change at any age. This is called neuroplasticity, and it means that no matter how negative your thinking has been in the past, you can train your brain to develop a success-oriented mindset. So, the next time you catch yourself thinking negatively, pause. Ask yourself, is this thought helping me or holding me back? Because the truth is, the way you think shapes the life you live. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does positive thinking lead to real success? In the next section, we'll break it down with real-life examples and proven strategies. Keep watching, because what you're about to learn will change everything. What if I told you that your success is directly linked to your mindset? It's not just about working harder or being lucky, it's about the way you think. Look at some of the most successful people in the world: Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Serena Williams. What do they all have in common? Unshakable self-belief and an optimistic outlook. They face failures, setbacks, and criticism like everyone else. But instead of letting negativity stop them, they use positive thinking as fuel to keep going. You see, your thoughts influence your actions. If you believe you're capable, you take bold steps. You seize opportunities. You push through challenges. But if you doubt yourself, you hesitate. You procrastinate. You let fear hold you back. Psychologists call this a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you think you'll succeed, you act in ways that make success more likely. If you think you'll fail, you unconsciously sabotage yourself. This is why positive thinking isn't just about feeling good, It's a tool for success. Studies have proven that optimistic people achieve more. A Harvard study found that students with a positive outlook performed better academically than their pessimistic peers. Another study from the University of California showed that entrepreneurs with an optimistic mindset were more likely to grow profitable businesses. So the next time you catch yourself doubting your abilities, flip the script. Remind yourself that every great success story begins with belief. But how do you break free from negative thinking? In the next section, we'll dive deep into the dangers of negativity and how to stop it from controlling your life. Stay tuned. Have you ever felt stuck? Like no matter what you do, things never go your way? That's the power of negative thinking. It's a mental trap that keeps you from seeing opportunities, taking action, and reaching your full potential. Here's how it works. Your mind believes what you tell it. If you constantly think, "I'm not good enough, I'll never succeed," or "why even try?" your brain takes those thoughts as instructions. It filters out possibilities and focuses only on failures, setbacks, and obstacles. Over time, this cycle kills motivation, lowers confidence, and creates self-doubt. But the biggest danger, negative thinking becomes a habit. The more you reinforce it, the more your brain wires itself to expect failure. This is why people who think negatively attract more problems, not because they're unlucky, but because they're unconsciously looking for proof that they're right. Psychologists call this confirmation bias. If you believe the world is unfair, you'll notice every injustice. If you believe you're incapable, you'll see every mistake as proof. Your mind seeks what it expects. But here's the truth. Negative thoughts are not facts. They're just stories we tell ourselves. And like any story, they can be rewritten. The good news, you have the power to break free. In the next section, we'll explore simple but powerful strategies to rewire your brain, eliminate negativity, and create a success-driven mindset. Because the life you want is waiting for you. It all starts with changing the way you think. Let's keep going. Now that you understand the dangers of negative thinking, let's talk about how to rewire your brain for success. Positive thinking isn't about ignoring reality. It's about choosing how you respond to it. And the good news, your mindset is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Here are 5 powerful strategies to cultivate a success-driven, positive mindset. 1. Reframe negative thoughts. Your mind automatically reacts to situations based on past experiences, but you have the power to change the narrative. Instead of saying, "I'll never figure this out," shift to, "This is a challenge, but I'll find a way." Your words shape your reality. Speak possibility, not limitation. 2. Practice gratitude daily. Gratitude rewires your brain to focus on what's going right instead of what's wrong. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big, just simple things like a good cup of coffee, a supportive friend, or a fresh start. The more you focus on gratitude, the more abundance you attract. 3. Use positive affirmations. Your subconscious mind believes what you repeatedly tell it. So instead of letting self-doubt control you, reprogram your brain with affirmations like, "I am capable and strong. Success flows easily to me. I attract opportunities effortlessly." Say them daily and watch how your confidence grows. 4. Visualize your success. Top athletes and CEOs use visualization to program their minds for achievement. Every day, close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals, whether it's acing a job interview, running a marathon, or building a thriving business. Feel the emotions as if it's already happening. Your mind doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It will work to make your vision real. 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Your environment influences your mindset. Spend time with uplifting, ambitious people who inspire and challenge you. Limit time around negative influences that drain your energy. Read books, watch videos, and listen to podcasts that feed your growth. Your thoughts create your life. Start applying these strategies today, and you'll begin to see a shift, not just in your mindset, but in your results. In the next section, we'll talk about how to stay positive even during life's toughest challenges. Stay with me. Let's be real. Life isn't always easy. There will be setbacks, failures, and moments where everything seems to go wrong. But here's what separates successful people from everyone else. They don't let challenges break them. They use them to grow. The truth is that your mindset determines how you handle adversity. Negative thinkers see obstacles as signs of giving up. Positive thinkers see them as opportunities to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. Take Thomas Edison, for example. He failed over 10,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Did he see those failures as proof he wasn't good enough? Simba. He famously said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That is the power of resilient, positive thinking. So, how do you stay positive when everything seems to be falling apart? 1. Reframe setbacks as lessons. Instead of asking, "Why is this happening to me?" ask, "What is this teaching me?" Every challenge carries a lesson that can make you stronger, wiser, and better prepared for success. 2. Focus on what you can control. Wasting energy on things outside your control only creates stress. Instead, shift your focus to what you can do, your actions, your attitude, and your next step forward. 3. Use challenges as fuel. Instead of letting failure break you, use it to motivate you. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. The struggles you face today are building the strength you need for tomorrow. So remember this: challenges don't define you. Your response to them does. Keep going, because success is waiting on the other side. Next, we'll explore how your environment plays a huge role in shaping your mindset. Stay tuned. Have you ever noticed how some people drain your energy while others inspire and uplift you? That's because your environment and the people around you shape your mindset and ultimately your success. Think of it this way: you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're constantly surrounded by negativity, people who complain, doubt, and discourage, you'll absorb that energy, whether you realize it or not. But if you surround yourself with positive, ambitious, and growth-minded individuals, their energy will push you forward. So, ask yourself, who's influencing my mindset? 1. Choose your circle wisely. Your success is linked to the company you keep. If the people around you don't support your goals, encourage growth, or inspire positivity, it may be time to set boundaries. Find mentors, friends, and communities that align with the future you want to create. 2. Create a success-oriented environment. Your surroundings impact your thoughts. Fill your space with motivational books, positive affirmations, and goal reminders. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, and videos that expand your mind. Small changes in your environment lead to big shifts in your thinking. 3. Reduce exposure to negativity. Negativity isn't just in people, it's in what you watch, read, and listen to. If social media, news, or certain conversations make you feel drained, limit your exposure. Protect your energy. Your environment can either fuel your growth or hold you back. Choose wisely, because when you surround yourself with positivity, success becomes inevitable. Up next, how to turn positive thinking into a long-term habit for lasting success. Let's keep going. Building a positive mindset isn't a one-time fix, it's a lifelong practice. Just like exercising strengthens your body, consistent positive thinking strengthens your mind. But how do you make positivity a habit that sticks? Here's how. 1. Develop daily mindset rituals. Your morning routine sets the tone for your entire day. Start each morning with gratitude, affirmations, or visualization. Even 5 minutes of focusing on what's possible instead of what's wrong can shift your entire mindset. 2. Catch and reframe negative thoughts. Negativity will still creep in, it's natural, but instead of letting it spiral, pause and reframe. Point 1. Instead of, "I can't do this," say, "This is a challenge, but I'll figure it out." Point 2. Instead of, "I always fail," say, "Every setback teaches me something valuable." 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Stay connected to growth-minded people. books, and content. The more positivity you consume, the more it becomes your default mindset. 4. Take action, no matter how small. Positive thinking without action is just wishful thinking. Success happens when you align your thoughts with action. Even small steps forward create momentum, and momentum creates results. 5. Stay patient and persistent. Change doesn't happen overnight. There will be tough days. But remember, every time you choose positivity over doubt, you're rewiring your brain for success. The key to long-term success? Consistency. The more you train your mind to think positively, the more success you'll attract into your life. Next, let's wrap things up with some final words of motivation and a call to action. Let's finish strong. By now, you've seen the undeniable power of positive thinking. Your thoughts shape your reality, your mindset determines your success, and the way you choose to think can either limit you or set you free. Remember, success doesn't start with luck, talent, or even resources. It starts with belief. When you shift your mindset, you open doors that once seemed impossible. You turn failures into stepping stones, obstacles into lessons, and setbacks into comebacks. So now, the challenge is yours. Will you let negative thinking hold you back? Or will you take control and create the life you truly want? Start today. Practice gratitude, reframe negative thoughts, surround yourself with positivity, and take action. Small, consistent changes will lead to massive transformation over time. And if this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, drop a comment sharing your biggest takeaway, and subscribe for more content on mindset and success. Most importantly, share this video with someone who needs to hear this message today. Together, let's create a world where positivity fuels success. Your journey starts now. Let's go!